I microwaved a fork once just to see if the universe would notice. It did. I was 17, alone, and fueled by a dangerous mix of hot pockets and apathy. I stared at that microwave and thought, what if, just what if, the rules don't apply to me? So I put a fork in there. Full metal, full send. Sparks flew. Like literal fireworks. The microwave made a noise I can only describe as an electrical scream. I panicked and unplugged it like I was defusing a bomb. The microwave never worked right again. Every time it ran, it smelled like burnt toast and gave my hot pockets a weird metallic taste. My mom blamed it on cheap appliances. I said nothing. I've lived with the guilt. Anyway, that was 10 years ago. I'm now an electrician. I still don't trust microwaves.